Hey guys, what's up? Yeah. It's Harley here. Well, my real name's Asia. It's your turn.
So we're gonna open.
And that is there is a story behind it. The story is him and his friend Chris.
Okay, this is Talia. Okay, this is her toy.
Yes.
This is her toy. This is. I opened this little puppy. He's so cute. Her name's Flair.
And her's not on yet because her's tired.
Yeah. Okay. So
these are combined pets. They combine.
okay. So I'll stay there. Yeah.
So cute because he's a match.
Okay, came back with the scissors.
Okay. Asia.
What? Okay, Talia, don't talk about me like that, okay? Because we're kind of making. Just kidding. Right, Talia? We're nice sisters. Right, Talia? Give me a high five. Yeah. Okay, so here's your little chicken. There's your don't touch that.
So here he is. I think I can hack him. So he's my little chicken. And
This is my sheep. Okay, Talia, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is my lamb. I'm gonna name her Violet. What are you gonna name your chicken?
Chicken purple. Chicken furry purple.
Chicken furry purple. Okay.
Chicken furry purple. That's what I named him. Chicken furry purple. Okay, this one's kind of hard.
Make sure you guys have your parents' permission and stuff, because we might be doing dangerous stuff. And we do not want you to copy us. So I recommend if you're a kid and you just went to ask your mom to buy this stuff, thank you Walmart for supporting this video. You guys actually,
Okay,
we actually got all these toys from, okay, that's Mom. Okay, this is our stick bulldog. Whee! Okay, I'm gonna stick to the camera. I love you. Watch her. Watch.
Is he actually a puppy dog?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Watch.
And then here's when he wants to
Lee, don't kick my legs.
I didn't. It's just I don't know.
There, Talia, watch. Whee! And so that's all we have, which is kind of really sad because we have to end the video really quickly. But we don't want to, so we're going to talk about some stuff.
So we're gonna do some things on the video, right, Asia?
We're not going to do anything on the video. We're just going to talk about stuff.
Want to talk with a pet?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'm going in my housey.
And this is my home. out for me.
Well, it's
And that's
mine.
not for that. That's for the bulldog, Talia.
Bobby dog.
And this is a chicken, not a bulldog.
It says a bulldog.
Yes, it says bulldog.
Very cute. The puppy's out of bed. Okay, don't cry that.
Trying to do this. And yes, I have a Harley Quinn suit, but I'm not gonna wear it because my nickname is Harley Quinn. Talia, what is your nickname?
I don't know.
My nickname is Harley Quinn.
And mine, I don't know. Maybe mine will be, I don't know. This is one who not comes up. And this is one who came out of bed.
What about Asia Rose? Since you always do that to me. And when I tell you not to call me that, and you keep on saying Asia Rose.
Okay, you don't have to click that on the video. Right?
Yeah, you can still do that. Okay. Okay. So tomorrow is whose birthday? Drum roll, please.
Mine.
Yes, how old are you turning, Talia?
4.
No.
I mean 5.
Yes.
And this chicken is nothing, but now he's gonna, on the last week, he's gonna be 1, and he's, oh, the peace power.
Senor!
Yeah. And he's gonna learn how to,
Gracias, right? It's like gracias.
and he's gonna learn how to, he's gonna learn how to walk and fly. Right, chicken?
Yes.
He's saying yes. This is when he has time out when he's sleeping or he needs to sleep. And even your chicken.
Talia, don't touch my lamb.
Okay,
Since it's mine.
okay.
And Talia, you need to say thank you to me.
Okay, thank
Because
you.
I paid for all that stuff, you know,
Okay,
right?
thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Oh, mine is sleeping. Okay, that's cute. And mine shows a very good spot. Hey, chicken, baby pepper. Let's actually name him Butt Butt. Wait,
Fluffy or Fluff Butt
Fluffy Butt Butt.
or Butt Butt.
Fluffy Butt Butt.
Okay, Fluffy Bun or Fluffy Butt Butt.
Fluffy Butt Butt. That's a cute name. Okay, what are you gonna name yours? Sheepy.
I already named it.
Sheepy?
Stop. It's not Chibi.
Then what did you name him?
I told you, it's a girl and it's Violet.
Oh,
Is yours a girl or a boy?
a girl.
Mine's a girl too. It's a
Hey,
girl.
nobody move. Nobody goes anywhere.
And so this plastic cat. Oh, wait a minute. The car can
That's us, my dad.
Okay, you guys, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Happy good. Harley Quinn, bye.
Talia.
Oh, and you
Bye.
guys didn't notice this Harley Quinn bracelet. Yeah. Talia, get your owls and turtle. So, we have one more goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Mwah. And please subscribe. My Musical.ly account is Nerds Rule and Nerds Rule. Cool. 1,
Yeah,
2, 3, 5, 8. Bye, guys. Mwah. Give them a kiss.